Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can restart a language on your Duolingo app. At first, go to Duolingo on your Google Chrome and then search for www.duolingo.com/settings/reset and then underscore and then lang and then search for it. You'll automatically be directed to this page and you can see all of the courses that I have here. Suppose I want to remove French, all I have to do is press on remove and then remove it. And there you go, it's gone. But make sure once you remove it, the course will be completely reset and you cannot undo it. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.